Okay, now look on the offset command. For this, go here in offset or type O, enter. Okay, first I'll make few figure here and apply offset command in that. For this, I'll take a line command, one line here and one line here. Okay, and here we'll take offset command. For this, O, enter. Now specify offset distance. So we have to mention that distance here. For example, I'll mention 10, enter. Select the object, select this. Now specify the side here where you have to keep this parallel line, either this side or this side. Here I'll click in this side. Still the command is in progress, so if I have to offset this line again, then I'll select this and click here. Similarly, again select this, and we can change this offset distance also. For example, if I have to give here offset distance 15, enter. Now see here, this gap is different than this previous one. So in this way we can change the offset distance and offset the object as per our requirement. Similarly, we can apply offset in this inclined line also. Here select the line, specify the side, which side you have to keep this parallel line. For example, I'll specify in this left side, and then specify the offset distance. Here I'll specify 12, enter. Okay, I'll again go back to the offset. Here if I have to create a multiple parallel lines with same gap, then select this and go to the option multiple here and enter, and select in the side where you have to keep this object. You just go and click. We can easily get the parallel lines in the specified space. To exit, enter. Okay, here I'll take the offset command and apply in this rectangle. Specify offset distance. Here I'll mention 5, enter. Now select this object. If you're supposed to create offset inside this rectangle, then click inside, and here if offset is required outside, then click in outside. In this way we can use the offset in rectangle also. And here we'll apply in circle too. Select the circle. Here I'll keep this outside. Okay, this way again select, and for multiple enter, click. Okay, in this way offset of circle also can be created, and then enter. I'll again take the offset command, and let's look on this option through. So for this T, enter. Here if I need this offset of this line in this point and the distance is not known, then for that time I use this through option. So I'll go here and click in the point as required. So in this way we can use the through option as per our requirement. And to get out from this command, either you can press E, enter, or directly enter. Back to the offset command. Now look for the option erase, E, enter. Erase source object after offsetting. Here by using this S option we can erase the source object. Let's see. I'll select here yes and specify the offset distance. Here I'll specify 10, enter. Now here if I have to offset this line to 10 inch and erase this source object, then I'll select this and specify the point. Okay, here I'll specify this side, click. You can see the change here. Previously our source object was here. Now by using this erase option we erase the original source object and create a offset here. Okay, in this way we can use the offset command, and please remember offset command is one of the most useful and important command in AutoCAD, so practice it well. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you all are clear on this command which I have explained in this lesson. And in modify menu there are few more commands which are very important, so I'll explain this command in next lesson. So keep watching. Goodbye. Have a good time ahead.